We're back, we're back, we're back again. We're back again. Today we have a Bluetooth speaker from WK Design. This model is the SP200. Let's see what it has. Music player, smartphone, tablet, Bluetooth 2.1, Hifi sound. So this is the on and off switch. This acts as a volume at the same time to select the track. Okay, so you can slot in a memory card. A micro USB charging interface, auxiliary interface. That's about it. Let's see, anything interesting? But then we can figure out the rest. Designed by WK in Hong Kong. SP200 Bluetooth speaker. Simple and decent portable sound over imagination. Support TF card. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a nice design. I mean, look at this. Look at this presentation. Tell me this does not look premium, well thought of. This is a beautiful gift you can give anyone. Placing this, you can even place this on the wall. I mean, just think about it. You can even place this on the wall, frame it. It looks nice. I know it's crazy, but to frame this, but just look at it. Very beautiful. Okay. So the texture, this is like, it's like cloth. Just pull it out. Oh, this is beautiful. This is leather. Let's see what information we have here. Let's see what information we have. Auxiliary, TF, DC, WK Design, the sound from Moon. Okay. So I believe this is the, these are the rubber stoppers. So this is how it's supposed to be positioned. What else do we have in the box? This is hard foam, branding inside. Let's pull it out. Plastic. So I think that's about it. And this is the bottom. This is the top. Nothing on the side. This is the handle. You can hold it like a handle. Now let's pull. Okay, so let me see. Am I supposed to pull it? Oh, okay. So here we have a flap. To all my viewers, understand that these products, when I purchase them, I hardly do any much reading. I just look at the aesthetic, have a good feel about the product, purchase it, and as I unbox it, I'm going through these features with no prior knowledge about how some of these things work. So I am learning this thing as I go along doing the review. Here's a flap, which is nice. So you don't actually pull anything. So it just is a flap. Here's your auxiliary, your USB port for charging, and your TF slot for memory. You can slot in your memory card. It doesn't come with any cable, charging cable, and I don't think that should be a problem because I mean, it's just a standard micro USB. Have a look at the fabric once again for close-up. Look at that. Let's see if it has any power. Okay. Wow, okay. There's an LED here. Currently, I think it's in pairing mode. Let's pair it up with a phone and see if we're able to assess the sound on this Bluetooth speaker. So let's power it back down. And the LED light goes off. Okay, it's in pairing mode. Pick up my phone. Let's scan. SP200. All right, it's paired. Let me call my brother and see what's up.
The number you're trying to reach is on another call.
He's always busy. Come on, Roj. Pick up the phone, Roj.
MTN number you have dialed cannot be reached at this moment.
Well, at least the speaker is loud.
Please call back later.
Full volume. Come on, Roge. Come on, Roge.
MTN number you.
All right, let me call his other line. The brother got so many lines, man. You think he's a cartel? All right. I'm getting an incoming from. Hello. Yo, Roger. I'm testing the Bluetooth speaker. Okay. So I'm just testing the voice call through the Bluetooth speaker. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. All right. Bye. All right. You heard it. Loud and clear. Let me play one of my YouTube videos. We've seen the design, we've seen the material, we've seen how it works. Good weight, good amount of weight. The important thing is the sound quality. And so far, this product is a 5-star general. Oh yeah, I like this one. Let's go with this one. If you go and check out my video, the YONGNUO YN600 Pro Video Light. All right, hold up. It's coming through. Let's do it. Full volume, right? Yeah. Y'all with me? Yeah. All right, so it's firing from this side, the same side as the LED. It's firing from this side. No, I think it's firing from both sides. This side and this side. Come to think of it, it's difficult to find out where it's firing from. At least it. Hold up. Oh, it's shaking in my hands right now. Yeah, go check out my video. This is my video, the YONGNUO YN600L Pro Video Light unboxing video. You check it out. This is the background music to it. Yeah. This is tight. Good quality. This is a go. Beautiful. Yeah. And bring it down. It has good feel. Yeah. I love the huge, I mean, it's very big. You can't miss it. So even in the night, in the evening, in the night, you can just touch it and feel it. And just raise the V's. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Come on now. Y'all hearing it, right? Yeah, I'm bringing it closer to the mic. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, there's also a WK Design logo here. All right. Yeah. Beautiful. Whew. This was hot. Wow, I'm feeling this. The WK Design SP200 Bluetooth speaker. I mean, you've heard it, you've seen it. You got to go out and cop it. You need to feel this product in your hand. You can place this anywhere. I don't know if they come with different colors. I need to check out the website, maybe so you can color coordinate it, match it with your sofa, match it with your bookshelf. This is great quality. You need to look at the aesthetic side, because now a lot of Bluetooth are doing great sounds. What differentiates them is going to be the aesthetic look and how versatile it can be in different room scenarios. You can even take this to the beach. It's not waterproof, but you can take it to the beach, your wooden straw hat, cork sandals with this kind of material on top. I mean, you just hook this up, carry this with you, it's all good. You can pack this in your bag. It's not all that heavy, but the beauty of this, and I love this. This is just sweet. You will not be disappointed. See you on the next one.